Hi, I'm Eric Tate, and I host the Penguin Live Lectures. I've been going back through our archives to find some of the most incredible performances, insightful interviews, and memorable moments that have ever happened at the P3 Magic Theater. Now this week, we go back to take a look at Magick Balay, widely considered to be one of the most entertaining close-up performers you'll ever meet. He has an ability to take a standard prop in Magic and turn it into a tour de force that becomes the standard handling and presentation for that prop. You put him behind a bar, and you've got a recipe for one of the most dynamic Magic performances you've ever seen. Let's take a look.
If you like card magic, I got something really sweet to show you guys. You know, I'm gonna break a rule in magic just for you guys today. They always say never do the same trick twice. You know why? First time's a trick, second time's a lesson. You start to catch on, right? But I'm so convinced in my sleight of hand, I'm gonna perform the same exact trick twice. I'll fool you first on the first round, but I'll fool you even worse on the second round. Are you ready? Who's first? Ladies first. All right, and your name?
Karen.
That's correct. You're absolutely right. All right, Karen. Anyone you like, it's a total free choice. Don't feel forced to pick any particular one. They're all good. Total free choice. Anyone you want. Go for it. Anyone at all. You're easy. I hate to say it, but you are easy. All right? No, I refuse to give you that one. All right? I really want you to believe it's a real choice. Anyone you want, I'll even let you look at it while you take it. Go for it. Take it out, all the way out. Show it to them. Get a witness. You got a witness? Yes? All right. Place your card back. No funny business. Look, no funny business. Place it right here. There it is, right in the center. I'm going to ask you it's a strange question. All I want you to do, it's a strange request. I need you to blow a kiss to the cards. Do you know why I make you do that? It makes the card blush. It does. It makes the card blush. Nobody believes it until they actually see it blushing. You see it? One card in the whole entire deck. What was the name of your card? Because that could be any card. That could be any card. What was the name of yours? King of Hearts. Nice. And I'll do it again. Watch. Place your hand on top of the King of Hearts, just like so. All right, like I said, I'll break the rule in Magic. I'll do it twice. If you will, say stop anywhere you like.
Stop.
Memorize that card. Got it? That's your card. I know it's going to sound strange, but go ahead and blow another kiss to the card there for me, will you? Oh. I'm going to save that for later. All right. Do you see the red one?
No.
Well, the red one's silly. It's already underneath your hand. You can turn it over.
No way.
Get out of town. That freaks me out. You want to see another one?
Yeah.
We'll do another one while the people are still coming in. I need to borrow something of value. So how about a dollar bill? That's it. You got $1 bill? My money burns a hole in my pocket. Seriously, it does. Look at this. Nothing's wrong with my son of a bitch. Son of a. All right. I really need to borrow a dollar bill. All right. So $1 bill. All right. This is a $1 bill. How do I know it's real, by the way? There is a way to know if it's a real bill. Do you know that? You ever seen those counterfeiting pens? Yeah, I think I have one on me here. Counterfeiting pen. Yeah. Here, watch this. Watch really close, all right? I'm going to place the pen directly into the bill. It's going to work a little bit different than you're used to. I place the pen inside. You see it in there. You can touch it as well. Go ahead, just squeeze that. You feel the pen in there, right? You feel it instant. I'm not trying to sneak it out the side or anything. Watch the center here, straight through the bottom. You're going to see the moment the pen goes right through the bill. You see that? I'm going to show you both sides. I'm not going to try to fool you here, but I will. That's really going through, right? If you listen, you'll hear the moment I rip and restore the bill. Look at that. That really is yours. And you get to keep that. Don't say I never gave you anything. That's for you. Go ahead, you can take it. Yeah, but what if I used my money, right? A lot of people say, what happens if you use your money? See, if I use my money, watch this. Look at this. Oh, look at that. Right? I was going to use my money, but it's unfair. Yeah, because me as a magician, I have such a big imagination. How much do you see there?
$5.
I'm sorry, $5 what?
$5.
No, see, doing magic, when you're a magician, you have such a big imagination. I imagine higher. I imagine like $500. That's what I imagine, but that's me, right?
Okay.
But if my imagination is big enough, it might be big enough for all of us to see those $100 bills. You see them, right? That's 1, 2, 3, 4, $5. No, God's my stage name. But thanks for noticing. All right, $500. Look at that, huh? The real deals. But you. All right. All right. I would. I will. As a matter of fact, take out your $1 bill. Take out your $1 bill. I'll turn it into $100. Take out a $1 bill. Yeah. Turn it into $100. All right. This is your $1 bill. All right. Oh, crisp. Here. All right. There's a reason why I don't do this particular trick for other people. Do you know why? No. It's taboo. They say it's taboo to do this for other people's gain. If I do it for my gain, it's fine. But if I do it for other people's gain, here's what happens. Look, they always say something goes drastically wrong. So I'm going to fold it up like this. When I unfold it, it'll turn into 100. You see? 4 quarters. Yeah, 4 quarters. I'm so sorry. Hey, I tried though, right? I tried. All right, you only got 4 quarters. There it is. You can feel it. It's a real bill, right? Yeah, taste it. You can taste the mint, the government. I know you can't spend it this way, so I'll bring it back. All right, so watch it really close. That's 4 quarters of a bill, literally turning right back into that $1 bill you let me borrow just a second ago, and you can have that back. I tried though, right? I tried. Thank you guys so much.
Thanks. Magick Balay is one of my favorite performers, and after watching that, it's no mystery as to why. If you want to learn the magic you just saw, go check out Magick Balay's Penguin Live lecture. He and some of the other biggest names in magic teach you all of their greatest secrets over at penguinmagic.com. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button, as well as ring that bell so you'll be notified when we put up more live performances like this. Thank you so much for watching, and as always, we'll see you next time.